me introduce game development. Basically, playing games are everyone play games all the day, but everyone can't make the games as compared to those who play games all the day. And there are many tools in game development tools such as Unity and other tools in HTML and others. So engine. So this is the engine for game development. This is the most easy engine, having the drag and drop works and very less coding and scripting. Basically, game development is having very much coding, but nowadays it's been so easy that it's having only drag and drop works and little bit of scripting. So we'll do game development using the Unity engine. So it will bring good enhance to your artwork and audio, and it will help. You can write code in C#, JavaScript, which is also a Unity script. You control your own scenes and implementations in logic, and basically we will be using C#. And C# is the easiest compared to JavaScript. Do you have any experience about any programming language?
No.
No. So no problem. C# is an easy language to understand. So we can export from Unity and we can make games for iOS and Android. So these are the contents of game development, basic contents, which is having principle and engines, which is Unity and Unreal. Unreal is also a good engine, but we'll work on Unity because for beginners, Unity is a good engine. And you're a beginner, right? You're a beginner in game development. So we'll start from basic and we'll go to advanced and we'll create good games. If you like those games, you can download those games to your computer or your phone. And we'll also create multiple games like Fortnite, not like Fortnite, sorry, because Fortnite is made up of very hard work and very teamwork. Basically, almost 100 or 150 people work on one game. This type of games, Fortnite, Minecraft. So not that type of game, but we'll make a normal game, small games. So the Unity is also used for 2D and 3D games. Do you play 2D games? 2D are basically 2 dimensions and 3D are 3 dimensions. I will tell you what is the difference between 2D and 3D. Let's go and programming languages of this C#. So let me introduce the Unity engine. So basically, first of all, Unity was only announced for macOS, which is Apple's ecosystem. It was announced only for Apple and OS X. Worldwide WWDC. This is the conference of Apple's which happens every year. The Apple Park. Now it doesn't happen due to COVID-19. Now it's extended to more than 20 platforms. Let me show you which are those platforms. So iOS, Android, Windows, Microsoft stores. This one is Linux, and then WebGL, PlayStation, Xbox, Oculus, and PlayStation VR, Android TV, tvOS, Nintendo Switch, AR4, Microsoft HoloLens, and basically these all are the platforms that Unity has been transferred to. In these platforms, you can play the Unity games very easily. What is Unity? Unity is a game engine used to design 3D objects, lighting, animation, and scripting. Do you like animation? So you'll love that. Because it's really easy. I'll show you now the Unity engine. So it's really easy. So moving forward, these are the examples of Unity games. Okay. And these are professionals. These are made by professionals. And these are made by professionals. And these all also, you can see how much good graphics it's having. these are some examples of Unity games. So yeah, this is all layout of Unity. Okay, like this. We're having camera, directional light, and everything. I'll show you now the main engine. And let's talk about the functions in Unity. Good functions in Unity. Yeah. So we're having hierarchy, which is basically used for spawning objects, lighting, animations. So yeah, it's also used to accessing camera and directional light. And these are 2D objects, basically the two-dimensional objects like walls and hexagon, pentagon, all type of things, but in 2D. Okay. So yeah, 3D objects. 3D objects are cube, sphere, capsule, cylinder, plane, flat, and text, mesh, probe. These are basically text. 3D text. Free, wild zone, and 3D text also. So yeah. So this is the main camera. Here you can do the setting about the main camera, and it's like rotation, position, scale, and viewport, react, near, far. These are all the settings about the camera. And here we are having directional light. So it's looking like the sun. Okay, and what's the work of the sun? What can it do for us? Provide us light. Yeah. Sun provide us light.
What?
Sun provide us light, right?
Sun provide us light. Sun provide us light.
Yeah, sun provide us light. Yeah. So sun provides light. So in this game, in this engine, sun also provides light to our models, and so these are the functions. More functions. Scenes. Here we can store the information about our script, our coding, and I'll not tell you about coding for now. I'll start coding when you're good in this course. Once you complete your 20% course or 25% of your course, so you will understand the code. So yeah, you can make the scenes, C# script, shader, testing, labels, assembly definition, assembly reference. So are you able to understand all these words or functions? Yeah, you have to open Unity Hub, so it's look like this, and it's having learning like this, Lego micro game, FPS micro game like this. Do you play Lego? Do you like Lego? Do you like Lego? Okay. Yeah. So you'll love it. I'll also show you how to make these kind of things in Unity. And yeah, forward like karting, micro game, FPS game. So yeah, these are all the games of Unity. And they're open Unity. They're new. So the project 3D, okay, template 3D, 2D, high definition. So we'll use 3D template. Create. So it will take a while. Can you see this Unity open?
Yes.
So it looks like this. So it's free software, not paid software. for us.
Okay.
Yeah, so it looks like this, the Unity engine. This is not paid version, this is the simple paid version, community version basically. Yeah, so this is the scene, this is the camera. Okay. Here you can move the camera up and down. This is the light, directional light, also known as sun, looks like sun, and game. Okay. So yeah, this is the camera. So you can do the rotation like here, from here. Position, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and rotation also here, like this. Okay. And yeah, this is the sun, this is the camera, and now we'll create a model. In 2D object, a cube, we'll create a cube. This is the cube. When we go to game, it's nothing. Why? Because it's not in the front of camera. So we'll select the camera and we'll make it down, 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 and then we'll go here and go down, down, down. So can you see here? It's cube. And yeah, so it's done. Go to game. Yeah, so it's cube. And now we'll create a surface for cube. Yeah, here's the light. And now when we'll see the game, so it's more light, okay? But if we'll make this directional light, so yeah, it's done. So here, let's move towards some light. So that pretty object.
Okay.
Rotation. You can see it's rotating.
Yeah.
Okay. And set the scale like this. You can see it's also getting large. Small, large, and small. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the animations and models in game development. So, do you have any question to ask? You can ask. So it will look like this.
Thank you.
Where are you from, Australia?